Hi, I'm Gregg Logan, an RCLCO Managing Director. I hope you're doing well despite the pandemic and its economic consequences. And I wanted to share a quick update with what we're seeing in the world of MasterPlanned communities. As you know, we do a MasterPlanned community survey a couple times a year and keep track of where sales are. We checked in with our MasterPlanned community clients in late March and early April and found that sales had fallen off quite dramatically due to all the circumstances surrounding the COVID-19 crisis and the stay-at-home orders that were being implemented in the states, and the fact that a lot of sales offices, had to close, obviously had a big impact on traffic, as well as people's concerns about getting out and mixing in public, the need for social distancing, and so forth. So we were very pleased when we went out and updated what was going on by going out and talking to our MasterPlanned community contacts all around the country, to hear that sales in the last 2 weeks were up pretty dramatically. Some communities reporting that their sales are up as much as 80% over where they were in the first part of April and in late March. They told us that cancellations are still up and continue to be meaningful. Cancellations had been running at somewhere around 7 or 8% early in the year and are up at a higher, averaging closer to 20% now. And because of the recent uptick in sales and the fact that in many states the stay-at-home orders are coming to an end and there seems to be some pent-up demand out there among consumers, there's some cautious optimism. Some people are obviously still very concerned and pointing to the significant job losses and the fact that people without jobs don't buy homes, and thinking that we may still see some impact throughout the year. But the anticipation is that with many of the stay-at-home orders ending, that the June period, late May and early June, we will continue to see some uptick in sales. In terms of what we're expecting for the balance of the year, obviously hard to say as this crisis continues to play out, but the best reading of the tea leaves suggests that we'll see some improvement this summer, that by the third or fourth quarter of the year we'll begin to see some strengthening in the economic recovery, and that in terms of the housing market getting back on track, we'll see gradual improvement. Certainly by the third or fourth quarter of the year, we'll continue to see the for-sale housing market improving in early 2021 and possibly getting back closer to levels of where we were in early 2020 by the fourth quarter of 2021. We went into the crisis on the for-sale housing side with a pretty healthy market. Inventories were low, interest rates are low, demand was strong. If anything, we had really not been fully serving the market from a demand perspective, except perhaps at the higher ends of the market. So the expectation is that given the healthy circumstances with which we went into the crisis, that the crisis, at least as far as the for-sale housing segment of the market and the performance that we'd anticipate from MasterPlanned communities, that this crisis will have a fairly short life over the course of the next year, and then hopefully largely recovering over the course of 2021. In the meantime, be safe, continue to check in with us here for updates, not just on MasterPlanned communities, but on all things real estate, and we look forward to catching up with you soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Be well.